Hey guys, Chris Mortimer, the Yacht Hunter. And starting your yacht search, where does it begin? And that's just like how we purchase anything else in today's society, that being the internet. And you're gonna head to one of three websites: Boat Trader, Yachtco, or yachtworld.com, which is my personal preference. And it's in your best interest to use the zip code 33316 with a 50-mile radius. Why? This is Fort Lauderdale, the yachting capital of the world. And it's going to have almost every yacht in existence available for sale, from there to Miami and to West Palm Beach. Whether it's a trawler, a catamaran, a sailboat, a super yacht, every yacht you can imagine is available for sale. This is going to allow you to compare the exterior stylings you like, the interior stylings, what price points, what years might work for you, what sizes. And from there, you're probably going to head over to the manufacturer websites to get some additional information as well. A great resource for people searching for yachts as well is, not to mention the Yacht Hunter YouTube channel, but boattest.com, a great YouTube channel as well that really deals with the mechanics and the specifics of particular vessels. As your internet search progresses, you're probably going to head to a boat show, which is going to allow you to physically see the particular yacht you're interested in purchasing. Whether it's Fort Lauderdale show, Miami, Monaco, Dubai, there's a number of shows all around the world that are not only great fun experiences, but allow you to physically compare products side by side. The last thing that anyone should do in their yacht search is book a yacht charter. By actually chartering a yacht and having it leave the dock, this is going to validate that buying a yacht is or isn't right for you. So, if you agree, if you learned a little something here in this video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for other great yacht purchasing videos as well. Check out my website, www.theyachthunter.com, for other great yacht purchasing resources as well. So, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy yachting, my friends.